To make cantaloupe molasses, peel and remove the seeds from a fresh cantaloupe or muskmelon and blend into a juice. Do not add any other ingredients, including water. Adding extra water to blend the melon easier is counterproductive, and adding any sweetener will dramatically change the flavor of the reduction. Then strain the juice into a heavy bottom sauce pot. Turn down the heat to a low simmer and gently reduce the juice. The foamy top layer is skimmed off as it forms, and as the water in the melon juice evaporates, the mixture will become syrupy after a slow reduction of about 30 minutes, and molasses-like shortly after that. Do not be in a hurry to reduce the juice, and stir intermittently with a high-heat spatula to avoid burning when the juice turns into a syrup, and then into a molasses with a stronger cantaloupe flavor. Transfer to a small jar or a squeeze bottle to make it easier to add to your next cocktail or dessert. Approximately 500 milliliters or a pint of melon juice made 60 milliliters or about 2 ounces of cantaloupe molasses. Stored in the refrigerator, the molasses will thicken as it cools and keep for about a month.